Top 5 washing machines in 2017. Number 5. Ivation Small Compact Portable Washing Machine. Mini washer and spinner combo helps you do small to medium loads of laundry. 12.12 pound wash capacity and 7.7 pound spin capacity. Dual function design allows simultaneous operation. Intuitive interface includes washing timer, built-in drainage pump and tube for easy emptying and filling. Monitor cycle progress through clear lid. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Midea 3 kg Compact Portable Washing Machine. Ultra Compact 0.9 cubic feet. Portable washer. Item weight 40 pounds. 3 water temperature combinations. Including hot, cold, warm, cold and cold, cold. 5 cycles and 3 water level settings. Mounted on 2 wheels. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Best Choice Products Portable Compact Mini Twin Tug Washing Machine. Portable washing machine and spin cycle is constructed of durable plastic material. Quick and convenient clean. Washer control timer runs for up to 15 minutes. While the spin cycle timer runs for up to 5 minutes each load. Easy storage and portability. Lightweight and space-saving design. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Haier HLP21 N Pulsator 1 cubic foot portable washer. Portable washer with 1 cubic foot stainless steel tub for loads up to 6 pounds. 3 water levels and 3 wash cycles. Electronic controls with LED indicators. Quiet operation, cycle status lights. End of cycle signal, adjustable leveling leg. Smooth rolling casters, easy installation kit. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Panda Small Compact Portable Washing Machine. Small portable washing machine. Easy to operate, and powerful. Just fill with water and set timer. Item weight 28 pounds. Form factor standalone. Perfect for apartments, dorms, RV, travel, your second washer at home. One side of washing, one side of spinning. Please check the description for detail and prices.